Look at my shaft, Steve.
Don't lose that 10 mil.
Is it 10?
Yes.
Oh, dude, oh god.
I'm never gonna see it again after today.
Oh god. Oh, I lost it. All right, you were saying?
Today we're doing the shift cable bushings on the Civic. So from Acuity Instruments, supposed to be cool stuff. I honestly don't know what's supposed to do. All I saw, which I didn't look up very hard, is it changes the way your shifter feels inexplainably.
Great. Hope it doesn't feel terrible.
Yeah, right. $70 not well spent.
Return it.
Yeah, right. After how long?
Yeah, like
4 months?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
We've been putting this off for content.
All right. So first thing you do is just get all your intake stuff out. I mean, just set it aside so you get access to the cables right here. So next step you're supposed to do is get a pair of pliers and grip on these clips right here and pull them out, set them to the side. So let's get to that real quick. Alright, so with the clips out, now we just gotta take the cotter pins out, which are right here and right here.
Point them out?
Yep, these guys right here. Bend the back, pull them out. Pretty easy. Keep them for next time.
That one's on the side?
Yep. You can see, there we go. There we go. And just lift them off.
Oh, that's easy.
Yep. Be careful though, because
If there's tension or something?
well, the cables are kind of fragile, so you don't want to put too much pressure on them when you're doing this kind of work.
Treat it like a baby.
Yeah, treat them like a baby, basically.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Evenly pull it out.
Yep. There's a cover.
Oh.
Alright, now getting the bushing out. Stick a screwdriver in here, just a little bit. Hopefully a longer one if you got it. Just ease it out. And there it goes,
Alright.
gone forever.
And now it's gone.
And
Second
then,
one?
Yeah, second one, same deal. Gotta get that cover off first. This one's actually all coming out. Oh no, it's not. There we go.
The bushing out. With your bare hands.
Yep. Again, hold it firmly by the bellows. Come on out. There we go.
We got this one.
Yep. Alright, and then we can install.
Wait.
So this is what you get in the box. You got a couple cotter pins, retaining rings, and of course the bushings. So looks all pretty.
It's purple.
This side down. This is a spherical bearing or a bushing. So
They just put them in.
yeah, just put them in.
Just push them in.
Real nice. Oh, this thing is like hard. This is stiff.
Yeah.
Maybe
I bet it's
that's
gonna
what-
feel different.
I mean, I hope so. So this side down.
It actually says this side down on it.
Yep.
And you just push it in.
Yep, more or less.
Yeah, there you go. That's in. Yep. So it goes on the bottom side.
Yeah, so when you're installing a retaining ring, it goes on the bottom side, and you just want to work one end in, work the other way around. Ooh. There we go. Just like that. Now it's not going to go anywhere on you. And then at this point, you can just put them back into their slots. Just like that. Slide them back down. Put in your new cotter pin. Like so. That's really all it is. So we're going to finish up this off camera, and then we're going to take a quick drive, see how it feels. I hope it's good. Rip it!
All right, we're inside the Civic here with Steve, the pirate, and we're going to drive.
All right, so first, doesn't feel different right off the bat.
Going reverse.
It's smoother, I will say that for sure. Hell yeah, it is. There's a lot less resistance going in the gears. That's pretty nice. Alright. Let's do a couple gear changes. See how this thing goes up. Something we should have recorded, but we didn't. The smaller of the two bushings, they what do you call it? Retaining ring is a little different. It's like a key ring. You have to basically split it with one of your fingers, go into the groove, and just kind of work its way in around. So it's not exactly like the other one, but it's still pretty easy. I mean, it takes 2 minutes, not even.
Like putting a key on a ring.
Yeah, basically. It is smoother. The gear shifts is a lot smoother. I'm not going to say a lot. It's pretty nice. I like that. I can see why this thing gets so much hype, but I mean, it's not amazing. It's not like totally like life-changing for your car. But yeah, there's a lot less resistance, a lot easier to go through gears fast, I'm sure. Oh yeah. That's nice. That is nice. I get what the hype's all about. Hell yeah, I do.
So when you give it, when you give it some gas, it's different.
Right. Yeah. I mean, for casual driving, you notice it a little bit, but when you're trying to go fast and shift gears, oh yeah, for sure. It like helps with like the problem that you have, where you get locked out of gears easy.
Yep.
Like there's like no even evidence of that happening at all to me, because your car is actually pretty bad about it.
Yeah.
That bushing that we did put in helped it a little bit.
Yeah, it still does it sometimes. Honestly, it only happens if I don't rev it out all the way. Like if I shift after 4 but before 6, I might have that issue. It's kind of weird. But yeah,
it's kind of sad that your car revs higher than mine. 8,000 RPM.
You know, so what do you think about the overall value of this product? I mean, you know, you bought it. No, I mean, yeah. And then the installation time and all that. What do you think?
I mean, it took us what, like not even 30 minutes about
yeah,
there?
Not even.
It was a very quick. It's pretty easy.
And we never done it before, so.
No, we haven't done it before. The bushings were the only thing giving us a little bit of issue, just working them out with the screwdriver at first because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So, but I mean, Acuity instrument products are usually on a little bit of the higher end, but usually they're worth it. Like there's other brands that I can't think of right now. Yeah, I can't think of right now, and they do offer the same products, except it's cheaper. But I hear more and more people have issues with them. But Acuity, you barely hear anything about it, any issues. They're really, really highly praised. So, I mean, I get it. So, but $70 still a little steep to me, because I think the other brands are around 40 or 50 bucks, and some people say they're garbage, other people say, oh, they're just as good. I mean, I can't make that comparison myself. I just went with the high-end thing for And it's nice. Really, you can actually speed up your shifts quite a bit with this. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Paired with the Acuity short shifter that I don't have, but I can just imagine. It's like butter, I bet. It's a good upgrade. 70 bucks. Yeah, a little steep to me, but if you're in your car all day, every day, and it's a toy, and you don't mind spending 70 bucks, and 70 bucks still isn't really that bad, yeah, for sure, definitely worth it. But it's kind of on the border for me, not gonna lie. But I hope you like the install. I hope you enjoy my thoughts. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share it if you like, and subscribe if you want to see more content from us with the Civic, the Mustang. I mean, things we do around here, always a good time. So until next time, see you later.